日咧就已經21載啦。港區立事有簡單有3點，就係喺第一點就喺23條立法之前咧。
The driving is to bring in the national security from the other country, especially the UK and Australia or something. But we want to point out that those countries they have a democratic system, and they have a very powerful civil society and also the past. So there is quite a lot of check and balance, but Hong Kong lacks such a social system.
人民大於國家，
人民大於國家，
沒有民主人權，
沒有民主人權，
談何國家安全？
談何國家安全？
即係觸犯咗呢個竊取國家機密罪啦，咁我哋亦都係
幫佢自己啦，
佢用 stop and search 嗰個大晒，就得。
I think many of Hong Kongers are quite concerned of the Article 23. I don't understand why the Secretary of Justice said he heard no objection or no worry of this legislation. But I will understand that the way, the channel that we can share our opinion in Hong Kong is quite limited. Even we are concerned, but we will still we will still stay and fight for the democracy in Hong Kong.
大於國家，
人權高於政權，
人權高